Hello children, I am Anjali, your EVS teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Children, in this video, we are going to learn our 13th lesson. So what is our 13th lesson name? Our body, a wonderful machine. Yes, it is our body, a wonderful machine. Let us start the lesson. Lesson number 13, our body, a wonderful machine. Children, after studying this lesson, you will know the main functions of human body and the main organs responsible for these functions, and you can develop the habits of cleanliness to keep these organs healthy and know healthy habits. You will come to know the healthy habits also. Okay, so remember that you have learned about the functions of the sense organs in the previous classes, isn't it children? Already we have learned about sense organs in the previous classes only. So sense organs and their functions are given in the list below, so we should match them by drawing lines. So first A and B columns are there, we have to match their respective what functions and their sense organ. Okay, so the first one is eye. So what you will do with the eyes, children? We will see with our eyes to see the things, isn't it? Yes. And ear to hear sounds, nose to smell, tongue to taste, skin to feel heat or cold. Okay, so we know already these sense organs. Yes, so these sense organs are situated outside the body and we can see them. So these sense organs we will see because these sense organs are outside the body, isn't it? Yes. So there are many organs are there inside our body which we cannot see them. So today we will learn about them. Okay. Yes, you cannot see the muscles and bones of our body which are covered by the skin. So the what bone muscles and bones of our body, these are covered by the skins which we cannot see outside. Yes, no? Yes, because it's covered by the skin. The skin protects our body. Bones and muscles together give shape and structure to our body. Yes or no, children? Yes, skin will protect our body. What So only we can feel the heat or cold. It will protect from the heat or cold. Who will protect children? Yes, skin. And bones and muscles together give shape. So bones and muscles together give shape and structure to our body. So there are difference between the shape and structure of your body and the shape and the structure of the bodies of your friends. You can observe yours and your friend's body. It will be different because of different types of what shape and structure. Okay, yes dear. And what the bones and muscles together give shape, no? So that muscles and bones shape will be different in all bodies. Okay, so that you and your friends body shape and structure will be different. Okay, so next page, the important functions of our body. So many important functions are there in that, such as respiration, digestion, blood circulation and excretion keep our body strong and healthy. So keep our body strong and healthy. So what type of function those? Respiration, digestion, blood circulation, excretion. These functions will keep our body strong and healthy. So today we will learn about the inner organs of body and their functions. So the first one is respiration. So you know that you take in air through the nose. So from the which organ of our body we will take air inside? Yes, of course it is from nose, isn't it? Yes. So do it yourself, children. Keep your hand on your chest. Slowly breathe in air Breathe in air, then slowly breathe out air. What you feel? Your hand will rise and your hand will what fall down. Your hand will rise up, fall down, isn't it? When you will take air inside, your what hand will raise and fall down. So we will already know the respiration process, isn't it? We'll take air inside and we'll give out the air outside. So you can do this activity. Keep your hand on your chest, slowly breathe in air, then slowly breathe out. What do you feel? Yes, you can do, children. Your hand will raise up and your hand will fall down. Okay, so look at the picture. Air enters our body through some organs and in the same path it comes out, so the hand on the chest feels the rise and fall. So here in the right and left side also you can observe the pictures. This is the respiration process. Air in, air out. And from which organ we will take the air inside, children, and give outside? From the nose itself. Okay, yes. And which the air passes through are shown in the picture. Write them in the correct order. So here we can see the respiration process picture. So which we will do it from nose, and next air will go to the windpipe, and next to lungs. Yes, no? So we have to write in the order. Yes, nose, windpipe and lungs. Okay, so our body needs oxygen that is in the air. So where is the oxygen will be there, children? It is in the atmosphere, isn't it? Yes. When we breathe, the lungs absorb the oxygen from the air. The carbon dioxide, which is not needed to our body, goes out with the air through the windpipe and the nose. So this is only called the respiration. So which we will take inside the oxygen from the atmosphere, and which is not needed, carbon dioxide, which we will give out. Yes, no? Yes, with the air through the windpipe and the nose. So this is this process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is called respiration. So what is respiration? The process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is called respiration. Okay, so one more activity is there, children. So you should do this one. How many times do you breathe in a minute? Count. So you just do activity and you observe. How many times do you breathe in a minute? Count it yourself. Okay? Yes. So in the next page, practice healthy habits for proper respiration. Some of them are given here. So how we should do the proper respiration? So these are some points they have given here. We should know this. Clean your nose regularly when you take bath. We should clean our nose regularly when we take bath, and do not cover your face while sleeping. When you are moving in the place of dust, take care of avoid dust entering your nose. We should be careful when we are going out. We should avoid dust entering our nose, and do not be in hurry while eating food and drinking water. We should not be hurry while eating food and drinking water. And do not expose yourself to smoke. If you breathe smoke, it causes problems related to lungs. At least once in a day, sit straight and take deep breaths for 10 times. Practice it daily. So this is one exercise to what? Practice healthy habits for proper respiration. At least once in a day, we should sit straight and take deep breaths for 10 minutes. Do not put things such as stick, pen, piece of chalk, etc. into our nose. We should not put these sharp things in our nose. Do not breathe through the mouth. We should not breathe through the mouth. We should breathe through nose. Yes, cover your mouth with a handkerchief while coughing or sneezing, and the germs can be avoided from entering the air if you are suffering from cold and cough. This avoids the spreading of cold and cough to others. Always we should cover our mouth by handkerchief. Okay, when we will sneeze or cough. Okay, so the next function is blood circulation. So blood circulation, observe this picture, write its name here. So what is this picture, children? It is a heart, isn't it? Yes. So you have seen this discharge of blood when the body is injured. What color is the blood right here? So we should, when we will get what? When we will be injured, so what color blood will come out, children? Red only. Yes, no? Yes. So here you can see the heart. Okay. Yes. This is the heart picture. You can see the blood circulation also. Yes. So in the next, do you know that the blood circulates in all parts of the body? The main organ of the body which pumps blood to all parts of the body is called the heart. So heart is very important part in our body, isn't it? Yes. So what is that heart, children? The main organ of the body. It is a main organ of the body which pumps the blood. It circulates the blood to our whole body. So it pumps the blood to all parts of the body is called heart. Okay. So do it yourself. Fold your left hand fingers to make a fist. You can see in the picture that is fist. Okay, the size of your heart is almost equal to your left fist. So you can fold your left hand, make a fist, and you can imagine your heart size will be your left hand fist size. So how much your left hand fist size will come, so that much size heart you will have. So in the picture also you can observe the place of heart. So you have already learnt about the lungs. Yes, no? Yes. The heart is located between the lungs. You can observe in the picture, children. The heart is located between the lungs, slightly towards the left. Yes, no? Slightly towards the left. It is protected by the chest activity. Okay. The heart is protected by the chest activity. And have you seen lifting water from a well through pipes with help of a pump? So usually we will see, isn't it, lifting water from well through the pipes in the field, we will see, and even some homes also well will be there. The water will lift from the motor or through the pipes, isn't it? Yes. In the same way, heart pumps. Our heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels. Okay. So blood vessels, you can observe in the picture that blood vessels, blue and orange color blood vessels are there. Yes, no? Yes. So these are blood vessels, and our heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Yes, do it yourself. So keep your hand on the chest of your friend. Feel the lub dub sound of heart, the sound produced when the heart pumps the blood. So usually we will say heart will sound like lub dub. So when it will do, the sound is produced when the heart pumps the blood. Okay. Yes. The blood circulates to all parts of the body. It gets impure by receiving carbon dioxide from all parts of the body. So this impure blood enters the heart through blood vessels. Okay, so the blood circulates all parts of the body and it gets impure by receiving carbon dioxide. When we will breathe, we'll take what will give out the carbon dioxide also. So because of that, so the blood what heart gets impure by receiving carbon dioxide from all parts of the body. This impure blood enters the heart through blood vessels. From the heart, this impure blood reaches lungs. So from the heart, the impure blood reaches the lungs. In the lungs, it gives up carbon dioxide and receives oxygen. So when from the heart, what the impure blood will go to the lungs, no? There it gives up carbon dioxide and receives oxygen, because in the lungs, what will happen? Respiration process will happen. We will take in oxygen and gives out the carbon dioxide. So that time the lungs gives up carbon dioxide and receives oxygen and becomes pure. So there the blood will become pure. The pure blood reaches the heart once again through the blood vessels. So again the pure blood, when heart will pumps, so again our body parts will get the pure blood through the blood vessels. Okay, yes. So the pure blood which has oxygen reaches all parts of the body through blood vessels. This is blood circulation. So this process is called blood circulation. Okay. So the next, how do doctors examine the heartbeat? Have you seen our children? How do the doctors examine the heartbeat? Yes, in the picture you can see the instrument which is used by doctors to know the heartbeat. So what is that instrument name? It is stethoscope. Yes, no? So usually we will see in hospitals. So doctors will use to check the heartbeat. Yes. So do it yourself is there. Take a three plastic tubes, a T-shaped tube and a funnel, a thin rubber or plastic sheet and some rubber bands, join them as shown in the picture. Then your stethoscope is ready. You can do it in home. So you, with the help of plastic tubes, okay, you can make it ready and you can observe the stethoscope. So keep the funnel of the stethoscope on the chest of your friend. Keep the two tubes in your ears and count the heartbeat. So you can make your own stethoscope and you can check the heartbeat, okay, with other or with your friend. How many times does a heartbeat in a minute? Keep your palm on the chest and count the heartbeat. You can also check, children. Okay, yes. So in the next page, for proper blood circulation in our body, eat vegetables and fruits regularly and we should do exercise also. So for proper blood circulation in our body, we should eat vegetables and fruits and we should do exercises daily. Okay, so this is all about what? Blood circulation. Okay, so the next function is digestion. So do you eat food regularly, children? Yes, of course we will eat food regularly. So where does it go? So where it will go? What happens to the food that you eat? Do you know? Yes, observe this picture. The food you eat moves from organ to organ from the mouth. Look at the picture and write the names of those organs. So here you can see the picture. This is digestion process pictured. So how the digestion process happens, this is the picture. So observe the picture. The food you eat moves from the organ. Here in the right side also you can observe, children, from mouth. After that it will go, we will eat the food from the mouth. After that it will go to throat and food pipe. So through the food pipe it will go to stomach, and after that it will go to small intestine and large intestine, and last it will go to the anus in the form of waste. Okay, yes, so these are the parts which our food goes in our body. Yes, so mouth, throat, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. So have you written the names of the organs? Now write the parts of our mouth. So what are the parts of our mouth, children? It is teeth, tongue, lips, isn't it? Yes. And which part of the mouth is helpful for our chew food? From which part we will chew the food? From teeth. Yes. What is the function of the tongue? Yes, the main function is taste and it helps to chew the food. So teeth in the mouth chew the food items into small particles, isn't it? Yes. So in the next, so we have seen first we will eat the food from mouth and afterwards it will go to what? pipe, food pipe, and stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, and anus. So what are the functions of food pipe? It is the chewed food reaches the stomach through the food pipe. After it will go to stomach, food in the stomach gets digested to the some extent, and it remains here for about 3 to 4 hours. So after stomach, the food reaches the small intestine and gets digested further. The digested food reaches blood through small intestine and reaches all parts of the body. So when the food reaches the small intestine, it gets digested further again. Okay, and again the digested food reaches blood through small intestine and reaches all parts of the body. So after that it will go to large intestine. The undigested food reaches large intestine and moves out of the body through the anus in the form of feces. Okay, yes. So the process by which the food gets digested and reaches the blood is called digestion. So what is digestion process, children? It is the process by which the food gets digested and reaches the blood is called digestion. Okay, yes. So the next, so one game is there. Play the game. Write the names of the organs of digestive system in slips and put them in a box. Ask your friends to pick up one slip each from the box. Ask them to tell the function of organ. Mention in the slip. Repeat the game. Take the help of your teacher if it is necessary. So this is the game for digestion process. Okay, yes. Know this good food habits. So wash your hands before and after taking food. Eat fibrous food such as beans, radish, etc. Eat fresh and healthy food. Clean your mouth, teeth and tongue after eating food. Chew the food slowly and properly. It is better to eat once in 4 hours. So these are some good food habits. Okay, yes. And write the functions of organ given in the picture in the space provided. So we have learned the digestion process now. So these are the organs of digestion process. So here we should write the functions of these organs. Following organs. Okay, so the first one is teeth. So what the function of teeth? Teeth chew the food into small particles. And the next, where the after mouth, where the food will go to the food pipe. So what is the function of food pipe? It carries the food from mouth to stomach. And the next organ, so the food will go to stomach. In the food in the stomach gets digested and stored about 3 to 4 hours. So after stomach, food will go to the small intestine. Small intestine digested the food further and passes to parts of the body. Isn't it? Yes. After the small intestine, it will go to what? Large intestine. It moves undigested food from the body through the anus. So these are the organs which are in the digestion process. Yes. So the next function is excretion. So what is this? Waste is produced due to the household activities. We throw out this waste every day. So in our house, waste will produce. So due to the everyday household activities, so we will throw the out. We will throw outside this waste every day, isn't it? We will not keep in our houses. So in the same way, so many materials which are not required for our body are produced in our body due to the biological processes like digestion. So these are wastes. Okay, yes. So unwanted things of our body called what? Waste. We can say waste. Yes. How it will happen, children? Due to the biological process like digestion. Yes. If these waste remain in the body, they may cause sometime diseases. If we will not throw outside the waste from our body, it may cause diseases. You know that the body removes this waste through skin and lungs. Okay, through skin and lungs. These are excretory organs. These are excretory organs. What are those? Skin and lungs. Okay, so the body removes the waste through urine. Let us learn about the excretory organs which help this process. So what is this excretory organs? So here you can see in the picture kidney, urinary canal, and urinary bladder and urethra. Here, so observe the above picture, write its parts here. So this is the excretory function. So what are the organs will be there, children? Kidney, urinary canal, urinary bladder and urethra. Okay, so here you can see in the picture also. Yes, and a pair of kidneys is situated on either side of the backbone. The blood gets filtered here. So where the kidneys are there in our body, where it's situated on either side of the backbone. And what it will do? What is the function of kidney? The blood gets filtered here. Okay, and impurities present in the blood are separated here. So what are the impurities are there? So here it will separate in the kidney. Here means in the kidney. The waste reaches the urinary bladder through urinary canal. Here you can observe in the picture. So the impurities, what are the impurities present in the blood? Here in the kidney, they will separate, and this impurities means waste. This waste reaches the urinary bladder through urinary canal. Then it passes out of the body through urethra in the form of urine. Okay, in the liquid form, in the form of urine. Okay, so this is the process of excretory. So what are the organs? Kidney, urinary canal, urinary bladder and urethra. Yes, so few questions are there here. Which organ is responsible for removal of carbon dioxide from the body? Which organ, children? Yes, lungs. Which organs removes impurities from the body in the form of sweat? Yes, skin. Yes. Which organ removes impurities from the body in the form of liquid? Kidneys. Just now we have learnt. Yes, no? Yes. Okay. So in the next page, know this, pass urine regularly. Take bath every day and wear clean clothes. Wash your face, hands and legs often. It helps to remove the waste which are collected through sweat. This cleans the skin and opens the sweat pores. Drink 2 liters of clean water every day and it helps to remove waste from the body through sweat and urine. Okay, and we have learnt that our body is like a wonderful machine that performs respiration, blood circulation, digestion and excretion. So what is the name of the lesson, children? Our body, it's a like machine, no? So exactly it's like machine only. Why? Because our body performs a respiration process, blood circulation process, digestion and excretion process. Yes, no, it's like a wonderful machine. And know about the steps to be taken for the proper functioning of our body. What are the steps to do these function proper function, children? Yes, practice to eat and excrete regularly, play games, do exercise and walk daily, eat healthy food, do not eat fried food items and sweets, take bath daily and keep your body clean, wear washed clothes daily. So these are the habits to what if we do these good habits means our we can keep our body healthy. Okay, to do the proper function like digestion, excretion, respiration, blood circulation. Okay, yes. So do you know this? There are 206 bones and more than 600 joints in our body. So children, so this is for your knowledge. So you just understand there are 206 bones and more than 600 joints are there in our body. even if your height is 3 feet, your digestive organs will be 20 feet long. Okay, they are in the form of coiled tubes. So coiled tubes. Okay, yes. So they are in the form of coiled tubes. Our heart beats about 70 times per minute and 1 lakh times per day. So how much time it will beat, children? Our heart 70 times per minute and 1 lakh times per day. 3 liters of air is filled in the lungs. How much? 3 liters. Human body contains about 5.5 liters of blood. So how much of blood will be there in a human body? 5.5 liters. So blood will be produced again after donating the blood. It needs 4 to 5 weeks. So once if you give the blood, so it will take 4 to 5 weeks to what? Again to produce the blood. Okay. Yes. So I hope you understood this lesson, children. Our body, a wonderful machine. So we have learnt many functions with their organs like digestion, excretion, respiration, blood circulation, isn't it? Yes. So I hope you understood. And in the homework, read the lesson, do the working pages in the textbook, and paste or draw these main functions of human body with their respective organs. You have to draw these respiration, blood circulation, digestion, and excretion pictures. Okay, you have to label the picture also. Okay, yes. Thank you.